So I'm going to show you guys how to use goniometer to measure the MCP joint of the fingers. So patient's going to be seated position, and you can put the bolster underneath his forearm to make some space. And then I'm going to use this goniometer, which is like really good for measuring the range of motion of the fingers and stuff. So axis is going to be on the MCP joint, and then stationary arm's gonna just lay down his hands, and the moving arm's just gonna go with the phalangeal. Okay. And then, so he has about 80 degree, and then you can use this to measure the dips joint and pips joint, just same as axis gonna be on the joint, and then just lay down the stationary arms, and moving arms just gonna go with the finger.